It's almost time for Hajj! Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Noor Kids Crafters. My name is Ellen and this is the show where we make awesome crafts for kids. So today we are getting ready for Hajj, so we are making a really cool Hajj craft. Let's check out the tutorial. Start out with a paper plate and you can use a hole punch or a pen to poke a hole in the center, and then you're actually going to poke 8 holes around the end. Next, get out a black sheet of paper and draw a big square on it. Cut out that square and this is going to be your Kaaba. Now take a sheet of yellow paper and mark where the edges of your black paper are so you can cut it into 2 strips. Glue the strips on the front and the back. Just like this. And now you're going to take a pencil and poke a tiny hole in the top of it. We'll use that later. Okay, now take out a white sheet of paper, this one's scrap paper for me, and fold it in half twice. Now look at the edge where there are no folds, and that's going to be the bottom of your pilgrims. So to draw a pilgrim, you kind of draw this big circle on top, and then these loose shoulders coming down. We're not drawing anything too detailed here. Draw that twice and cut both of them out. Now you're going to end up with all these little pilgrims. So let's give them some details. For a woman pilgrim, I'm going to start with my skin color and draw kind of a drop shape. Then I'm going to draw her face. Again, nothing too detailed. And color in her face. I'm actually going to add just a couple more details than that. There we go. Alright, and then for my man pilgrim, he's going to look a little different. I'm going to draw his face first, and I'm going to give him some hair. Then, with the skin color, I'm going to draw his over-the-shoulder shirt. And then color it all in. Now flip it to the back, give him some hair in the back. Look at the front to make sure you're drawing on the correct shoulder. And do the exact same thing on the back. Awesome. Now make all of your pilgrims using those templates. I like to make them look a little bit different. There we go, here are mine. Okay, so now you're going to need to take a pencil and very carefully poke a hole in the top of their heads. You can also use a hole punch for this. I just don't have a hole punch and thought maybe you guys didn't either. So, we're using a pencil for today. Do that to all of your pilgrims. And the next thing you're going to do is get out some string and tie a knot through that hole. After you tie the string to each pilgrim, you're going to tie it through one of the holes at the bottom of the paper plate. Okay, now that you've done that all the times, you're going to move on to the trickiest part of this project, but you guys can do it. You're going to thread the Kaaba and tie a knot in the top. And I don't show this very well, but you actually put it kind of through one of the side holes as well as the middle hole, so your Kaaba hangs down. Then you're going to take 4 strings and you're going to tie them to the top and tie them all together at the top so it can hang. Then when you pick it up, you can spin it, and when it unwinds, you can see all your pilgrims circling the Kaaba. So that is all for today. If you are with us on our Salaam summer program, make sure to check out our YouTube channel. And if you're with us on YouTube, then make sure to give me a like and subscribe. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.